Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of these beads from 1993. And these were made for your shoelaces. And I'll show you the front here. There's the date there, 93. And there's nothing on the back here. But I was super excited when I found these because a long time ago, I found some of these beads at the thrift store and I didn't know where they came from. So now I have an idea. Okay, I have this empty bead box, so I'm gonna put them in here. Well, I mean, I have some beads, but you know what I mean. I think it might be the safest to open it this way. Oh, I don't know if I got a close-up of that picture, but there you can see the beads on there. And some of these got mixed up. So maybe we'll do one compartment at a time. Okay, so there's some pony beads here. Now these are shaped a little different than these. Let's compare them. They're a little thinner. Okay, and these are really cool. I like these little shapes. I know I've had other bead kits that have some of these same beads. Some chunky beads. These look like giant pony beads. Those are cool. And then I guess there's some, well, I don't know if these might have gotten mixed up. Yeah, so that's all those. I'm really excited to see what these look like. Okay, I don't know if it's going to focus. Is it going to focus? Yeah, okay. Let me face these all. I love this little strawberry. Okay, so we have, looks like a car, a train, a crab, that's strawberry, 2 fish, and another train. These are a pretty good size. And these are cool. Fun shapes. And the last thing are the shoelaces. Yeah, so you get 2 shoelaces, neon green and pink. So that's fun. I'm going to put those on some shoes, I think. Or make some bracelets. And here's the package. Empty. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you next time.